I'm a big fan of the Hilton Honors award program. Although there's no standard award pricing chart and prices do fluctuate seasonally, Hilton has a massive array of properties, and if you know where to look, you can unlock some serious value. Standard room rewards are generally capped at a certain amount. When you see rates increase in increments of 5 or 10,000 points, that generally means that cash rates for that night are also high, like in this example of a Hampton Inn in Times Square for New Year's Eve. Timing is everything. You'll see in this example that this exact same room is pricing out at 48,000 points just a few weeks later. We generally recommend saving your honors points for rooms with really high revenue rates. So if you can't justify spending cash on a room, sometimes you'll find some serious value in paying for that room with your honors points. Now, some rival programs won't let you use points to book premium suites at any price. But Hilton will assign an award price to basically any room they sell at any property. Make no mistake, they'll charge you a lot for these rooms, but if it's a special occasion and you need to guarantee a suite for an entire family, it can be worth it. If you're planning a 4-day getaway, you might as well throw in a 5th night. On all Hilton award stays, you get your 5th night free, and that's for any tier of status. And you can get Silver Elite status with a no annual fee co-branded Hilton Amex. This perk applies to every 5th night up to 20 nights in a single stay, and you can use it an unlimited amount of times each year. It is worth mentioning that this 5th night free perk only applies to standard room awards. If you're an infrequent traveler and you're concerned that you won't earn enough points for multiple free nights, consider points and money. When you book directly at Hilton.com, you'll see the points and money option along with a slider. You can move that slider to pay for the room partly in points and the rest of it in cash. Just be aware that all points and money bookings are final once they're confirmed. So if you earn additional points after you've made that booking, you can't retroactively go back and add points to that booking. Hilton's Honors program doesn't always offer the most impressive redemptions, but there's one key reason to really consider joining, and that's the scope of Hilton's portfolio. There's high-end properties like the Waldorf Astoria and Conrad, but also properties like the Hampton Inn, which are great for family road trips or stays outside of a major metropolitan area. To learn more about maximizing the Hilton Honors program, be sure to check out our link below.